COVID, it's still not over. Country is facing a lot of challenge. Metro cities are still struggling. No hospital beds. A number of infections keep going up. It's a kind of fear and panic. And it will take its own time. The virus will reach to every nooks and corners of the country, metros, to tier 2, to tier 3, to villages. There is a PCR test, RT-PCR, most reliable. Still, even today, that is the single most reliable test for knowing whether you have a virus in your body or not. There is a rapid antigen test, which is a shorter version of the antigen test, but it has a lot of challenges. So remember, RT-PCR is the gold standard to know the positivity of a COVID patient. There is a arrival of an antibody test which has only arrived a couple of days back. This antibody test is done in blood. It is not done in swab. And these tests are done in a laboratory because it requires a infrastructure to do the test. It is not a point of care test. And this test takes only 2 hours if the blood has reached the laboratory. There is no urgency because it is not for diagnosis. It is for knowledge. It is to understand whether you have met this invisible enemy in these last 100 days or not. There are many people who have antibody levels high. They never had a symptom, which means this virus has been around. If you have got infection, then you have got symptoms, then you have gone to hospital, those are different category. If you did not have any symptom, that means you have a wonderful immunity which takes care of the virus. As soon as the virus comes, it is fought out. So, if antibody test positive means celebrate. That means you got an immunity. You have raised immunoglobulins. These immunoglobulins will save you, like how an immunized patient is saved. Negative means you have still not encountered the virus, and that's only the knowledge. And knowing whether I have encountered or I have not still seen it is the only knowledge you get from this antibody test. If the test is positive, that does not mean that you are carrying a virus. So, this test is useful. It can be referred by self. Government is not asking you to have symptoms to do the test, nor you have to get a letter from someone and then prove that you need this test. This test is democratically available for you to order for. Don't think that if you are positive, your call will come from a government and ask you to quarantine. No quarantine is used for antibody positivity. And in our experience in this last 1 week, we have done around 5,000 tests. Around 3% are positive. And in cities where the disease is active, up to 7% is positive. It's a immunization. The virus itself is immunizing without cost, without noise, without any pains. The virus is immunizing. So, it is good if you have a positive antibody test, and that gives you confidence. Don't think that antibody positive means then virus will not touch you. The beast is around. It's not dead. The virus is around. In the environment it is around. In office it is around. In stations it is around. In your transportation it is around. But you have a gun now. A gun means an immunity is a self-protective opportunity, and it will take care of the virus if it comes again. In fact, that is what is immunization all about, and people are investing billions of dollars to find out how will I give an immunization for this virus. And this virus itself is, as I said, freely, without pain, immunizing the population. This is a good test. Make use of it. Thank you.